Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. We're on upholstery cleaning today, just one sectional. Starting the day here. Here we're going to look over the couch. This is what we're doing. It's a red sectional. We're going to be using our Bio Pro on this one. What that does is that dissolves all the body oils, the dirts, and the fibers inside that, and it breaks it all down into a crystal. And then we'll go ahead and extract that. After this dries, it also crystallizes, so it continues to work once we're finished and we're done, and it has a sweet breeze. We already pre-sprayed and treated it with a pre-spray, so I already laid that down, so it's nice and saturated in those areas. Next thing, I'm gonna go over it with the lovely brush here, soft bristle brush, and work the pre-spray into the fibers. This is something like, the pre-spray is something like a shampoo, and then once you put that shampoo in, you want to work it into your hair. It's the same principle here. We're just going to work this into the whole time. Couch cleaning right here. Here's the water. Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. So we're all finished with the cleaning. The couch came out great. I want to show you some before and after pictures as well, so stay tuned. So here we are. Now the upholstery, type of upholstery this is, it's going to take about 3 hours to dry. And like I said, the cleaner that we use crystallizes. So when you rub on it or touch it, vacuum it, it's still going to continue to clean. This also was a deodorizer as well, so it smells great, and that lasts for a few weeks.